Welcome back to All Auto Reviews, where today we're diving deep into one of the most stunning and luxurious motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a true marvel that merges heavy-duty truck power with 5-star hotel comfort on wheels. This beast redefines what road travel means for the modern nomad. Starting under the hood, the T2000 Motorhome is powered by a monstrous 15.0 liters Cummins X15 Performance Series diesel engine, delivering over 605 horsepower and an impressive 2,050 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a fully automated Eaton Ultra Shift Plus transmission, it glides smoothly despite its enormous size, offering a surprisingly quiet ride. Built on a reinforced long-haul chassis, this motorhome offers superb highway stability, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even hydraulic self-leveling, a feature rarely seen in long haulers of this scale. The front cab retains the T2000's bold aerodynamic style but seamlessly transitions into a custom-built motorhome shell that screams luxury. As you enter through the power slide entrance door, the spaciousness immediately captivates you. Natural light floods the interior thanks to full panoramic windows with dual-layer UV-blocking smart glass, adjustable for privacy and light control. Every surface is finished in ultra-premium materials, high-gloss, walnut cabinetry, polished Italian marble floors with radiant heating, and soft-touch, vegan leather upholstery in warm, earthy tones. The living area is designed like a luxury apartment lounge featuring a power reclining sofa, dual motorized recliners, a 55-inch old 8K smart TV with surround sound, and ambient lighting that adjusts based on time of day. An electric fireplace adds warmth and charm, while hidden compartments house a pop-up workstation with built-in Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a chef's dream setup, a full-size smart refrigerator with a touch panel, a convection microwave combo oven, an induction cooktop with a downdraft extractor, and a sleek farmhouse sink with filtered water. Tap the quartz countertops blend perfectly with the LED-lit backsplash, creating a clean, modern aesthetic. The kitchen also includes a retractable breakfast bar and plenty of storage, with soft closed drawers and a built-in wine chiller. The dining space doubles as a cozy conversation nook, with a booth-style seating area and a power lift table that transforms from dining to coffee mode. Further back is the main bedroom suite, which is nothing short of spectacular. A king's memory foam mattress with an adjustable frame dominates the space, flanked by floating nightstands and backlit panels. Opposite the bed is a secondary 43-inch OLED display, and just beside it, a sliding barn-style door leads to a walk-in closet with motion sensor lighting, a washer-dryer combo, and luxury cabinetry with integrated luggage organizers. The bathroom is equally impressive. A rainfall spa shower with aromatherapy and chromotherapy options takes center stage, encased in a glass cubicle with anti-fog coating. There's a vessel sink with gold-accented fixtures, a well-integrated mirror with built-in TV, and a toilet with automatic flushing, bidet, and deodorizer functions. Even the guest space doesn't feel like a compromise. A hidden bunk that folds out from the living area wall is designed with USB-C ports, its own lighting zone, and ventilation controls, making it perfect for kids or guests. The entire motor runs on an advanced energy system featuring dual solar arrays on the roof, backed by a 30 kWh lithium battery bank and an ultra-quiet diesel generator for off-grid freedom. Control everything through the central 15-inch touchscreen interface or remotely via the Kenworth Smart Home mobile app. Climate control is zoned, noise insulation is top tier, and air purification is managed by a hospital-grade HEPA system. Safety is paramount with 360-degree cameras, blind spot detection, tire pressure monitoring, and an emergency auto-braking system. The exterior includes underglow lights, motorized awnings with wind sensors, an outdoor entertainment unit with a TV, and Bluetooth speakers, and a rear garage for storing bikes or compact ATVs. With the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, you're not just driving across the country, you're living in motion with every comfort imaginable. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile sanctuary crafted for those who demand the highest standards. In travel, whether you're a cross-country explorer, a full-time RVer, or simply someone who appreciates luxury innovation, this motorhome will exceed every expectation. If you enjoyed this detailed tour and want more elite motorhome content, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon, because at All Auto Reviews, we bring the road to luxury and the luxury to you. ****